today I'm going to show you how to prevent a catastrophe from happening. So say you have one more gift to wrap, but you don't have enough wrapping paper. Everyone knows this has happened to them before. The agony. So I'm going to show you how you can still wrap this awesome gift without having to go out and buy more paper last minute. So all you have to do is put your gift at an angle. You know, normally I wrap it like this, but since we don't have enough paper, we're just going to put it at an angle like that. You are going to bring this little point, and you have to make sure the paper lines up with your point of your gift you're wrapping, just like that. And we're going to tape this down. I'm using double-sided tape, but you can use whatever tape you prefer. Okay, so corners are good. Now you're going to bring this part in and up at the same time so that it kind of meets right at the corner. Just like that. Tape that down. Do the same thing over here. So you're going to bring it in and up so that it meets. Just like that. There we go. Almost done. And for the last side, you're going to do the exact same thing. Bring it in and up. I'm just doing this so I'll have a crease, and do the other side, in and up. Just like that. And tape it down. Just like that. So you are able to wrap your final gift without running out to the store. But this is missing one thing. It's missing a pretty bow.
I will link the video of how I made this adorable bow in the description box down below.